This is basically the rundown on the video with your porch. I'm gonna go ahead and try and send you a video file to make it easier for you. The situation with the porch is pretty kind of straightforward. You got your front section, which is where you basically have about a quarter, definitely from the bottom, about an eighth to about maybe I'll say about a ½ inch drop, definitely from below to where your boards on the porch here are springy. I can definitely tell there's little to no support on it, and if they did, the middle support beam is basically sagging on it. So what they would need along the linear part of this is the floorboards pulled up here. There's 24 of them on the center. Well, look, at least 24 of them coming from the edge out to this way. So you definitely need somebody to come out to come recut them, give or take about 4 feet in length across. But on the center section, as you can see, if you step on it, from what the gentleman said, it's definitely springy in the middle. Not springy as to the point to where it's sagging going through the floor yet, but give or take after some time, water build up, it'll definitely get soft enough to where it can go through. Well, somebody would go through if there was a lot. Another example of what I'm talking about is this is your banister. Okay, your banisters are definitely gonna have to be secured, recaulked, repainted. Same thing on the other side, which is why I can basically tell you, if you can see this at the bottom, that it's gonna have to be jacked up on the corner in order for it to come out. Now, give or take, it may take about anywhere from 8 to 16 hours to actually get it done, because really it seems as if there may actually be a support on the bottom, but there's definitely gonna have to be one added in for durability and stability of the front porch. But right about here, it definitely seems as if they may actually have a support, but the support beam on the middle side of it may have actually deteriorated a little bit. But that's pretty much the wrap up of the porch. I'll go ahead and give you a front side view so you can actually see. You pretty much have brick steps. So if the job was done, it actually have to be from the top down instead of from the bottom up, because you have brick casing on the bottom, which once you come around two sides, you'll probably have about maybe 2 sides to get in, but for the most part you're definitely gonna have to demolish it from the top down. Basically, like I said, jacking up from the corner right here, and then coming down and removing the 24 boards on the porch to actually catch it from the top down. If you actually do it from the top down, it'll go a lot faster. The only concern that I actually have with this is if they actually ran the screws in on the boards inside. Now, this actually does run for about another given 2 inches into the wall, so that would probably be my only other concern for any other carpenter. But as far as securing the banisters on the rails on the porch, those could be easily resecured, but the work is definitely gonna come from the center section, because you can actually see it, the dip right in the middle. So definitely, instead of what's here, they're definitely gonna have to come out and probably run back with some more 1-bys to redeck it. But you're definitely gonna need 24 of them. These definitely look like by 6 1-bys, so 24 1x6s to go across the porch. All the railings are still in, everything's still secured, it's just not secured down at the bottom. If there's anything else other than that, then I'll make another video and go ahead and I'll send it to you. But other than that, from what I see, give or take about I say anywhere from 8 to 16, because the dip is pretty much like right in the center of the porch. And like I said, you're definitely gonna need 24 1-bys to go across it. I just counted it. So if there's anything else as far as information on it, I'll get with my guy and I'll give you a call and let you know. Thanks, man.